Welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from our science class we are going to discuss about some more question and answers from our lesson human body. Okay children, so already we have discussed some question and answers. We will be continuing from the 56th question. Like, which of the following systems protects our body against diseases and infections? So we'll be having with the diseases we'll be getting affected with infections, no children. So which is going to protect our body from these diseases and infections? Like, which system? Is it excretory system, digestive system, immune system, or circulatory system? And the answer is immune system. No, so that is the reason why we ask you to take good food. So if you take good food and if you go with good exercises with your body, then you will have a very good immune system, so that you will not be getting any infections. Your body will not get affected with any infections or diseases. Clear children? So immune system is going to protect us. 57th question. Which of the following is harder than bone? Which of the following is harder than bone? Is it ribs, enamel, blood vessels, or intestine? And the answer is enamel, B. Okay, so this is very harder than the bone. We have this on our teeth. Clear? Now 58th question. Which of the following is not a type of teeth? So we'll be having some 4 types of teeth. Now children, here from these 4 options, one is not a type of teeth. What is it? Is it canines, molar, incisors, or cavity? And the answer is cavity. Like, cavity is a problem on our teeth. Like if there are tiny holes on our teeth, and if that teeth is damaged, no, that is called as cavity. That damaged area is called as cavity. Okay, so D is the correct answer. 9th question children. Which of the following breaks the food further so that human body can absorb vitamins, minerals, proteins, and carbohydrates from food? So when we eat food children, the food is going to break down, okay, so that it is going to easily get digested, and all these vitamins, minerals, proteins, and carbohydrates which we have got in our food, that are going to be absorbed by the body. Okay, so which organ is going to do this? Is it large intestine, stomach, small intestine, or liver? And the answer is small intestine. Okay, the small intestine, what does it do? It is going to break down the food. Okay, and it is going to absorb all these vitamins, minerals, proteins, and carbohydrates from the food. Clear children? Now 60th question. Which of the following is an incorrect match? Incorrect match. Okay, so we have got some parts of our body, or some organs of our body, and they have also written what is their function. So here, which is not correct, that we have to identify. So what is this? A option is ureters. What does they do? They carry urine from kidney. This is correct. Ureters, what do they do? They carry urine from kidney, like small pipes you have in the kidney, no, that is ureters. And incisors. So incisors, what are they? They are our front teeth. They cut the food. That is also correct. Saliva, you can also pronounce it as saliva. What does it do? Absorbs nutrients. This is wrong. So saliva, it is used for cleaning the mouth. Okay, and it is also used for chemical digestion, but not absorbing the nutrients. So this is the incorrect match. And whereas brain, children, it controls actions of the human body. No, this is also correct. So what is the correct option here? C. C is the answer. Clear? Now, 61st question. Identify the body parts. Identify the body parts. Here you have got a picture of an organ of our body. What is it? Is it a heart? Are there ribs? Is it kidney or brain? And the answer is kidney. In the shape of a bean seed, children, we have got kidney. Clear? Now, 62nd question. The disease of cholera spreads by. The disease of cholera spreads by. Cholera is one type of disease. So how do we get that particular disease? Is it by mosquito biting, eating contaminated food, eating tasty food, or all of the above? And the answer is eating contaminated food. So if the food is not good, like food poison, if spoiled one, okay, so it is going to get affect with cholera. Okay, so eating contaminated food. Clear, children? Now, 63rd question. The first thing to do before cooking any eatable is to. So before you cook anything, it may be vegetable, it may be pulse, it may be rice grains, no, any substance. So before cooking it, so what you have to do? You have to smell it, or you have to look at it, or you have to wash it, or we should cook it straightly. And the answer is wash it. So you have to wash it. So if you are cooking anything like vegetable, you have to wash the vegetables first, then cut it and then cook it. Rice also, dal, pulses, everything, cereals, okay, you have to wash it before cooking. Clear, children? Now, 64th question. Where is a pair of kidneys located in human beings? So we all know that we are having kidneys in our body. They are internal organs which we cannot see outside. No. So where are these kidneys located? The place. So are they left to the lungs? Are they inside the small intestine? Are they below the nasal cavity or below the rib cage? And the answer is D, children. Below the rib cage. Rib cage is the chest part. No, like we have rib cage in our chest part. So down to that you will be having the kidneys. Clear, children? Now, 65th question. What is the long pipe called which takes the food from the mouth to the stomach? What is the long pipe? So you might have seen in the diagram of digestive system, children. So from mouth you can see a long pipe which is connected to the stomach. No. So through that pipe the food is going to be passed to the stomach. Okay, it is going to reach the stomach through this pipe. And what is this long pipe called as? Is it large intestine, esophagus, small intestine, or pancreas? Okay, and the answer is esophagus. Okay, B is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now, 66th question. So what is this? The figure below shows the human digestive system, in which part is food digested and passed into the blood vessel. Okay, so here is the diagram of the digestive system, children. This is esophagus, like the pipe in the before question what we have discussed. This is esophagus. Okay, the pipe from where the food is going to reach the stomach. Okay, and here in which part is food digested and passed into the blood vessels. So this is labeled with alphabets P, Q, R and S. So P is the mouth and also this esophagus. whereas Q is the stomach. Okay, Q is stomach, and R are small intestines, and S are large intestines. And where is food digested actually? Where do we get food digested? Yes, in the small intestines. No, so in the small intestines, that is R. So C is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now, 67th question. The figure shows one of the important organ systems in the human body. Which is true about the organ labeled X? Okay, so X. So where is this? This is X. This part is called as X. So what does it do? It produces urine, it excretes urea, it stores urea. So this part is going to produce urine and also excretes urea. So 1 and 2 are the correct answers. So A is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now, 68th question. Which body organ saves the body from poisonous chemicals? Which body organ saves the body from poisonous chemicals? Okay, so we'll be having, so when we eat food, children, sometimes we may have some poisonous chemicals also. So in our body we have one particular organ which is going to save our body from that poisonous chemicals. What is that? Is it lungs, kidney, liver or stomach? And the answer is liver. Okay, children, answer is liver. So this liver is going to save our body from poisonous chemicals, and also it helps us for digesting the food also. Okay, clear? Now, 69th question. Short, irregular, flat and long are the 4 types of bones in the dash system. Short, okay, irregular, flat and long are 4 types of bones in the dash system. So where do we have this type of bones, children? Skeletal, muscular, nervous or circulatory? And the answer is A, that is skeletal system. Clear? Now, 70th question. Which organ is not associated with the digestive system? Which organ is not associated with the digestive system? Associated in the sense which is not connected with digestive system. Is it liver? Sorry. Is it liver, kidney, stomach or pancreas? Okay. And the answer is kidney. Kidney is connected with excretory system. No, children. So it doesn't come under digestive system. So that is why B is the correct answer. Now, the next question 71. Which of the following is a function of the skeletal system? Like what does this skeletal system do? Function is nothing but the work. Okay. So does it going to support and our body, protect our body, or calcium, it is going to store the calcium to our body, or all of these? Okay, and the answer is all of this. So because of the skeletal system, children, so we do have a shape for our body. No, so our body is going to get a support, it is going to protect our body, and even calcium is also stored to our body. So because of this, D option, that is all of this, is the correct answer. Clear? Now, 72nd question. Which of the following is not an organ? Which is not an organ? Okay, that you have to remember here. Lungs, lipid, kidney or pancreas? Okay, and the answer is lipid. Lipid is one type of substance, children. So which is insoluble substance. Okay. So this is not an organ. It is a chemical type of substance. Okay. So B is the correct answer. Now, 73rd question. What does I represent in the below riddle? So what is the riddle? I have a crown. I am not a king. I have a neck. I am not an animal. I have a root. I am not a plant. So what am I? What is this I? Yes. Is it bacterium, tooth, nail or tongue? And the answer is tooth. No, it has a crown, it has a neck and it has a root. So that is why B is the answer. Clear, children? 74th question. Which one of the following does not happen when you breathe in? So when you take air in, which action is not going to happen? So we'll see the options. Air rushes into our lungs. When you breathe air, children, what happens? It is going to rush into our lungs. This is going to happen. Your ribs are raised. So can you notice that? When you breathe the air, our ribs are going to raise. No. So this is also happens. Your lungs squeeze. No, this is not going to happen. And D is the volume of your chest increases. Do you feel that? Yes, we feel that our ribs are raised and our chest size is increased. Because our ribs are raising, the chest is going to increase. Okay. So what is the answer? C, which does not happen when we breathe in. Okay. Now, 75th question, children. What is the process by which a human being produces offsprings? When a human being is producing their own children. Okay. So offspring is nothing but their children. Okay. So what is this process called as, where a human being is going to produce their child? Okay. Is it pollination, reproduction, metamorphosis or photosynthesis? Answer is reproduction. So as plants have reproduction, even human beings, animals also have reproduction process, children. And because of this, they are going to produce their own offsprings. Okay. Now, 76th question. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Incorrect statement. Okay. So we'll see. The different parts of our body are called organs. Yes, this is correct. Blood is circulated in the body through lungs. No, this is wrong. Blood is circulated in the body through heart. No, from heart through blood vessels, blood is circulated in our body. No, it is not with lungs. So this is wrong one. And muscles are attached to bones. This is also correct. Bones protect the inside parts of our body. So this is also correct. So what is the answer here for us? B, which is an incorrect statement. Okay, children. Now, 77th question. Which of the following actions below cannot be done with your leg muscles? With our leg muscles. Which of the following action which we cannot do from our leg muscles? Okay. So spin around, rope skipping, throwing a ball, balancing. So what is the answer, children? Yes, throwing a ball. Throwing a ball will use our hand, will not use our leg. So C is the correct answer. Whereas spinning, rope skipping, balancing is done with our leg. No. So C is the correct answer now. 78th question. Savita is watching a movie on television. Which of the following senses is she using? So Savita, when she is watching the television, which of the following senses, which senses is she using to watch a television? Smell and hearing, touch and smell, touch and sight, sight and hearing. Answer is sight and hearing. No, she is seeing and she is also listening. So What are the senses? Sight and hearing. Yes. 79th question, children. The tooth which is marked X in the given figure is known as. So this teeth, this tooth, okay, this one, they are marked as X. What are they called as? Are they incisors, canine, premolar or molar? And the answer is B, children, canine. The first four teeth are incisors. So to the back you have got canine. Okay, so canine is the answer. 80th question. The function of the small intestine is to. The function of the small intestine is to. So what does the small intestine do? It produces white blood cells, produce water in the body, absorb nutrients from food, produce hormones throughout the body. And the answer is absorb nutrients from food. Now we have already learnt that this small intestine is going to absorb all the minerals, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates from the food. Okay, all these nutrients from food. Okay, children. Now, 81st question. Shanta is blindfolded and given a glass of vinegar. Which sense organs can she make use of to identify the vinegar? Okay, so vinegar is a liquid, children, where you can use it in making for food purposes and even for cleaning purposes. This vinegar is used. So to just identify this liquid, which of the sense organs she can make use of? Ears, eyes, tongue, skin and nose. So and the answer is like tongue and nose. Tongue and nose. Why? Because it tastes different. No, and it smells different. So even water is a liquid, juice is a liquid, milk is a liquid. No, but here again to test what it is. So she has to taste it. No, it also looks like water only, vinegar. So because of that she'll make use of her tongue and also nose, the smell also. Clear, children? So 3 and 5. B is the correct answer. Now 82nd question. Match the two columns and select the correct option from the codes given below. So column 1 you have got some functions of some systems, and column 2 systems. We have to match it. Gives shape and support to the body. What gives shape and support to the body? Skeletal system. Okay. Supplies oxygen to the body. Respiratory system. Carries blood to all parts of the body. Circulatory system. So what will be our answer? A2, B1 and C3. Where is it? A2, B1 and C3. So B is our correct answer. Clear, children? Now, 83rd question. The instrument shown below is invented to aid our sense of. What are they? They are like headphones. No. So this instrument is invented to help our sense organ. Which is that? Is it sight, smell, touch or hearing? Which senses? To help which of our sense? Yes, and the answer is hearing. So that we can hear without any disturbances, we are going to use this instrument called headphone. Clear, children? And the last question for today. The diagram shows the digestive system of the human body. Which part removes water from the food? Which part removes water from the food? Okay, so C is esophagus, A is stomach, D is small intestines and B is large intestines. So normally which is going to remove water from food and which is going to eliminate all the waste is large intestine. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Clear, children? Yes. So this is what we have learnt in today's session, children. Hope you have all understood this session. So we will be continuing in next session with one more topic. Until then, take care, stay well and goodbye. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, day-away activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest